Okay, guys, we're here again for our day 7. So, this is our day 7, guys. So, let's start our session 1, day 7, and 14, 2025. So, how much is our bankroll? 1892. 1892. We had a 92 pesos commission. So today is another day, another session. So let's go, let's go. Let's get our 10 units, 500 pesos. So our target is 24. Okay? Our target is 24. 24 is our target. Say so not yet. So let's put our first bet here. Let's put our first bet. So it's a tie there upstairs. So let's go. Oh, it's a win. Our first bet win. Okay, let's go. I want full screen. So multiple. I want multiple. So we're having full screen. So we lost our second bet. So let's go. Another bet. And here. So we're targeting 10 units. 2-4 is our target. 2-4 is our target. So let's go, let's go. 2-4. Target 2-4. Nice one. Another loss here. So we're having a hard time here. Upstairs. 2-4 is our target. Oh, we won here. So this is Super 6, so I won't bet there. Luckily, it's just a tie, so I won't bet that Super 6. Super 6 to no commission baccarat. I don't like no commission baccarat. So 2-4 is our target, so we're approaching there. Looks like it's gonna be an easy session, but it's not yet over. So I don't want to jump into conclusion yet. Okay, another unit that on the bag. No, I lost here. Okay. I'm practicing to control my emotions here in while playing baccarat, so that I won't chase losses. Chasing losses will lead to bankroll depletion. Another 9 for him, but it's a tie. What's this? My window is not yet activated. I'm gonna activate it some other times. 4 versus 0. Good. Okay. Win. 0 versus 0. 0 versus 7. Okay. Win. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's a tie. Maybe this is gonna be our last unit. 2-4. So 2-4 is our session expired. So alright. That's gonna be our last unit. 4. And it's a tie. Session expired and it's a tie. I'm gonna get that last unit. Okay. Maybe I wanna get it here. Try my other strategy. But here we're gonna wait. Here in this strategy, we're gonna wait. That's why I like the other strategy more than this. But we can get it here. This no worries. Isa tayo again. So we're still gonna wait. We're still gonna wait. So we're still gonna wait. Jack. Okay, we're gonna bet. We're gonna bet on player. Let's go. We're gonna bet on player. Okay, let's go. Let's bet on player. So last unit here. Let's gonna bet on player. 0 7 2. That's his ally. Oh no, a loss. So we're just gonna bet on banker. Banker bet is the real deal. Banker bet is the real deal. Let's go. Three. He got 5. I got 9. Okay. That's gonna end our session for today. For our session for this day. So per session is done. We're just gonna record it. 240. How much that? 2402. 2402. 510. So we're gonna cash out 500. So this will be even. So now we're even. So now we're even. So let's go. We're even. We're even now. So that's all for this session, guys. Just a special reminder, if you're gonna gamble, please gamble in moderation. Just be like me. I just gamble what I can afford to lose. I just have a strategy. If I lost that 5 steps martingale, I stop. I'll just get back tomorrow. That's all, guys, and thank you for watching.